खुशामदीद और अस्सलाम वालेकुम प्यारे बच्चों। मेरी वीडियो है आज की नवीन जमात के लेसन अ लिटिल गर्ल हु डेयर टू विश के सॉल्यूशंस। तो बग़ैर वक्त ज़ाया किए मैं वीडियो की तरफ बढ़ती हूँ। यहाँ पर सबसे पहले हमें है कॉम्प्रहेंशन। कॉम्प्रहेंशन में हमें सवालात के जवाबात एक या दो जुमलों में देने हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, व्हाई वॉज एमी सैड? आंसर इज, एमी वॉज सैड बाय गेटिंग टीज्ड एवरी सिंगल डे. Number 2, who was Amy's mother? What exciting news did she have for Amy? Answer is, Patty Hagedorn was Amy's mother. She had exciting news about the Christmas wish contest on the radio station. Number 3, what did Amy's sister and mother think would be on the top of Amy's wish list? Answer is, Amy's sister and Amy's mother both thought a 3-foot Barbie doll would top Amy's wish list. Number 4, how did Mr. Tobin give the information about cerebral palsy? Answer is, Mr. Tobin gave the information about the cerebral palsy by calling up the local newspaper. Question number 5, I would like to be your friend. Who said this? Answer is, Lynn, a 6th grader from Texas, said this. Number B, who was it said to? Answer है, it was said to Amy. Number C, why did she say it? Answer is, she said it to encourage Amy to ignore teasing and to carry her head high. Number 6, did Amy get her Christmas gift? How? Answer is, yes, Amy got her Christmas gift on a special day without teasing at South Wayne Elementary School. This happened when the manager of radio station, Mr. Tobin, read Amy's letter in a Christmas wish contest. He called up the local newspaper and the story spread quickly across the country. नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी है C2। यहाँ पर हमें सवालात के जवाबात को 3 या 4 जुमलों में देना है। नंबर 1 क्वेश्चन है, व्हाई डिड द मेयर ऑफिशियली प्रोक्लेम December 21 एज एमीज डे? Answer is, the mayor officially proclaimed December 21 as Amy's Day because he explained that the daring to make such a simple wish of being not teased by everyone, Amy, taught a universal lesson. And he said everyone wants and deserves to be treated with respect, dignity and warmth. Number 2, write a short note on Amy's wish. Answer is, Amy wrote a letter to Santa Claus. In that letter, she expressed her wish in a very simple language. She wrote that her name was Amy. She was 9 years old. She had a problem at school. Could he help her, Santa? The kids laughed at her because of the way she walked and ran and talked. She had cerebral palsy. She just wanted one day where no one would laugh at her or make fun of her. This wish was so effective that the mayor of Fort Wayne officially proclaimed December 21st as Amy Jo Hagedorn's Day throughout the city, and this wish taught a universal lesson. नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी है, यहाँ पर हमें सिमिलर प्रोनाउंसिएशन रखने वाले अल्फाजों को ख़त खींचना है। तो यहाँ पर है C एग्जाम्पल दिया गया है। जवाबात में होंगे मीट मीट, फ्लोर फ्लोर, देर। मैं नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी की तरफ बढ़ती हूँ। यहाँ पर वोकैबुलरी 2 में हमें इसी तरह के होमोफोन्स को इस्तेमाल करते हुए खाली जगहों को भर्ती करना है। तो चलिए देखते हैं इसके जवाबात की ओर। नगमा हैड सम प्रॉब्लम इन हर ईयर लास्ट ईयर। द डॉक्टर थॉट that it was because of the steel rings she had worn. She was happy that nobody would steal them. Moreover, her father had spent a lot of money to buy a site. The sight of her worried father made the housemaid also feel sad. In his diary, the father has written the details of money he had got from the dairy. Now, Nagma wanted to ask for some money to buy a pair of gold rings by next week. But she knew that the father could give money only after the sale of clothes that he bought during his sales to a rich island. नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी है लैंग्वेज। यहाँ पर भी हमें खाली जगहों को भर्ती करना है। पैसेज को प्रीपोजिशन का इस्तेमाल करते हुए हम दिए गई इबारत को हमें मुकम्मल करना है। मरियप्पा वॉज वेरी एंग्री। आई मस्ट कैच प्लेंटी ऑफ फिश दिस मॉर्निंग, ही सेड टू हिमसेल्फ। इफ आई डोंट गेट सम फिश वी विल नॉट have anything for lunch today. So he got up and walked towards the stream with his net. At last he reached the finishing spot and threw the net into the shallow water. He was able to catch some fish by noon. He put all the fish into the bag. It was getting hot and Mariappa decided to go to the market. The fish market was near vegetable market. अगली एक्टिविटी है, यहाँ पर हमें लिसनिंग और स्पीकिंग में डायलॉग को हमें मुकम्मल करना है. फादर, व्हाट इज़ द न्यूज़ अबाउट? गीता, इट इज़ अबाउट बैंक रॉबरी, पेट्रोल प्राइसेस एंड इंडियंस विनिंग एशियन हॉकी. नेक्स्ट फादर कहते हैं, वेयर वॉज द बैंक लूटेड? गीता, इन मैंगलोर 33 lakh looted. Father, where did the accident take place? Geeta, near Chennamma Road. Father, is anyone dead or hurt? Geeta, 10 killed, 5 serious. Father, is there any news about CM's visit? Geeta, yes, CM visits Gol Gumbaz next week. Father, when is CM visiting Gol Gumbaz? Geeta, next week. Father, who did Indians defeat in Asian hockey? Geeta, Australia. Father, how much is the rise in petrol price? Geeta, 5%. अगली एक्टिविटी है राइटिंग में. यहाँ पर हमें व्हेन, वेयर, हु, ऑल, हाउ और व्हाई का इस्तेमाल करते हुए खाली जगहों में अपने कुछ नुकात को दर्ज करना है और हमारा एक वाक़या जो है हमें इसमें लिखना है. तो देखते हैं इसकी तरफ क्या है. इंसिडेंट है, द टाइम आई वन द फर्स्ट प्राइज इन एन इंटर स्कूल साइंस एग्जीबिशन. व्हेन? March 15, 2023. Where? School name, Auditorium, Bangalore. Who? All. My parents, my science teacher, Mrs. Sharma, my best friend Rohan, and the judges. How? I presented a project on sustainable energy solutions for urban areas. I explained my project confidently and answered all the questions. Why? I was passionate about the topic and had worked really hard. I wanted to make my school proud. अब हमें इसी को लेकर नीचे दिए गए एक लेटर को मुकम्मल करना है. तो चलिए देखते हैं इसको किस तरह से मुकम्मल किया जाए. प्लेस में लिखेंगे हम मैसूर. डेट May 10, 2023. डियर रोहन, I hope this letter finds you in good health. I am writing to you about something amazing that happened a couple of months ago and I couldn't wait to share it with you. Remember the inter-school science exhibition I was preparing for? Well, guess what? I won the first prize. I still can't believe it. It happened on March 15th at Auditorium in Bangalore. My parents and Mrs. Sharma were there and you won't believe how nervous I was. But as I started explaining my project, Sustainable Energy Solutions for Urban Areas, I felt more confident. I answered all the judges' questions and I think they were really impressed with my project. When they announced my name for the first prize, I was on cloud 9. My parents were so proud and Mrs. Sharma was beaming. I know how much I wanted this and all the hard work I put in paid off. I wish you had been there, Rohan. It would have been even more special. Let's catch up soon and I will tell you all about it in detail. Take care. Yours lovingly, Rakesh. राकेश, साई नगर, सेकेंड क्रॉस, बेंगलुरु. अगली एक्टिविटी है डिक्शनरी वर्क. तो वांट की मीनिंग है टू डिज़ायर और फील अ नीड फॉर समथिंग. सेंटेंस, आई वांट अ न्यू बाइसिकल फॉर माई बर्थडे. वांट as a noun, a feeling of needing or desiring something, a lack of something necessary. Sentence, they suffered from the want of food and water. Next है gift, verb के तौर पर to give something as a present. Sentence में इस्तेमाल होगा she gifted her friend a beautiful scarf. अगर इसी को हम noun की तरह इस्तेमाल करेंगे तो इसकी मीनिंग होगी something given as a present. Sentence में इस्तेमाल करेंगे I received many wonderful gifts on my birthday. Next है visit. Visit की मानी है verb के तौर पर to go to see a person or place. जुमलों में इस्तेमाल इस तरह होगा We visited our grandparents last weekend. Visit अगर noun की तरह इसका माना देखें तो an act of going to see a person or place. इसका जुमलों में इस्तेमाल होगा, सेंटेंस होगा इस तरह से, द डॉक्टर मेड अ हाउस विजिट टू चेक ऑन द पेशेंट। तो प्यारे बच्चों, ये थे इसके सॉल्यूशंस। इसको अच्छी तरह समझ कर लिखें, अच्छी पढ़ाई करें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।